Hi, I wanted to make a real quick video to make sure you knew how to get to your Math Excel study plan and my expectations for you to do that. So when you are on the homepage of mathexcelforschool.com, you see your course home and you see like your homework and tests. Like you can click on that and it will always list them for the whole year. You can see your results. And then down here, the last thing you see, because you don't see any of the instructor stuff, you will see study plan. So you click on study plan and it has three options up here: recommendations, progress, and all chapters. These recommendations will change throughout the year. Feel free to just do those if you want. They are chapter or seventh grade stuff mostly right now since it's the beginning of the year. So I would understand if you're like, I don't want to do that. So you could go over here to all chapters and click on it. And then it's going to bring up all of the chapter or seventh grade stuff you did and the chapter 8. So you could go through what you need to practice on. Here at the beginning of the year, we are in this 8-1 thinking with mathematical models. And I think you should be able to do most of the stuff in this 1-1.1 and 8- did I say 8-1.1 and 8-1.2. So you can continue to click and maybe you're like, ooh, I know how to do this. I know how to do this. Ooh, but I don't know how to do that. And so you can click on that and get practice right then. And what you will do is how you can check to see how much time you have. You will look somewhere. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's on this page, but my picture was messing it up. Okay, so you will see over here where it says time spent, you will see your total amount of time. So I'm gonna hide my face real quick. You will see right here, or for me, for this year, I have been on the study plan for 43 seconds. Whew. So when you see it on It's Learning that it's an assignment, I will tell you how much active time you have to have. So for this first one, you have to have 15 minutes of active time. And so what you are looking for down here is for it to say 15 minutes and 43 seconds. That's how you will get full credit. On assignments that I say 25 or 30 minutes of active time, just whatever this is at the beginning, you add that amount of time to it. What I like to do is take a Post-it note and take a Post-it note and you will be able to write your goal time. So like I would write 15:43 on this Post-it note. So that way I know that I can be finished when it says that. Let me know if you have any questions.